A Green Cleaning Product Guide. Chapter 1. Natural, non-toxic cleaning products. Most cleaning products are toxic. Most cleaning products contain chemicals that you breathe in and absorb through the skin. Consider wearing gloves when using them. Your best bet is to switch to non-toxic cleaners. Non-toxic cleaners are made out of non-chemical products. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and borax are natural cleaners. Self-cleaning appliances still need to cleaned by hand. The self-cleaning feature of an oven heats it very high in order to burn everything in it. This releases carbon monoxide. Wash it with baking soda and water. Don't use a humidifier because putting moisture in the air encourages mold growth. Don't mix bleach and ammonia. It creates a toxic gas called chloramine. Use baking soda, washing soda, sodium carbonate, and vinegar for your cleaning needs. Don't use scented candles or air fresheners because they don't clean the air. They just put more chemicals in it. Open a window and or use a fan. Clean a pet poop stain with vinegar and water. Less dirt and bacteria sticks to a sponge mop than a regular rag mop. Books about cleaning are at number 648 at the library. MedicineNet.com, 10 Spring Cleaning Tips for a Healthier Home. Eartheacy.com. cleaningpro.com/toxic.cfm, Cleaning Chemicals Toxicity Report. ec.gc.ca/envhome.html. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/natural_cleaning_products. xpage.com/Nancy's Natural, information on making your own non-toxic cleaning products. greenpeace.org.uk/products/toxics, guide of chemicals in kitchen products that cause harmful pollution in the environment and are toxic to humans. lesstoxicguide.ca. Toxic cleaning products. NPE is a product used in laundry detergent that has estrogen/female hormones in it. It is believed to cause feminization in fish because the wastewater gets into the water supply and could cause infertility in men. There are pockets of infertile men around and they think it's caused by chemicals. One of these places is a native community in Ontario, Canada. Toxic cleaning products include the following: alcohol, ammonia, bleach, butylchelazole, cresol, dye, ethanol, formaldehyde, glycols, hydrochloric acid, hydrofluoric acid, lye, naphthalene, PDCBs, paradichlorobenzenes, perchloroethylene, petroleum distillates, phenol, phosphoric acid, propellants, sulfuric acid, TCE, trichloroethylene. Householdproducts.nlm.nih.gov, Household Products Database. Homemade green cleaners / make your own green cleaners. You can make your own cleaners with regular stuff that you can buy at most places. It's cheaper and less toxic. Some are: baking soda, borax, vinegar, lemon juice, real soap, microfiber cloths. The easiest one is white vinegar and baking soda. That will replace bleach and most other stuff. Put about 1 tablespoon of household bleach in a spray bottle filled with water and use it to disinfect around the sink and counters. When your drain is clogged, try pouring a cup of salt and a cup of baking soda into it, followed by a gallon of boiling water. It might clear the drain. Use a cloth moistened with white vinegar to shine stainless steel products. Put club soda on a stain, let it set for a minute, then clean it with a rag. Use mild dishwashing liquid in boiling water to clean a carpet. Use a pencil eraser to clean scuff marks off a floor. Mix toothpaste and baking soda and use it to clean wood products. A wood cleaner is a mixture of 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 4 tablespoons white vinegar, and 1 quart warm water. Apply with a soft cloth and dry with a separate, clean cloth. Use a paste of hydrogen peroxide and cream of tartar to clean your showers, sinks and bathtubs. Try number 640 at the library. canadianliving.com/life/green_living/natural_cheap_household_cleaners.php care-2.com/green-living/make-your-own-non-toxic-cleaning-kit.html Green Natural Cleaners for Sale 1. blogs.consumerreports.org/home/green_household_cleaners, green household cleaners, Consumer Reports Home and Garden blog. naturalnews.com/laundry_detergent.html ourhouseworks.com 1stenvirosafety.com ecosource.corn 7thgen.corn soonandearth.corn 200perdaybyBlueprint.veritikk.com amazing-health-products.com/homecare-green.htm, green household cleaner, Neolif GNLD green cleaner. avianweb.com/non-toxic cleaning products.html bioclean.com bluewondercloth.com, a special cloth. burtsbees.com bisoapnuts.com charliesoap.com citra-solv.com 800-343-6588 cleanenvironmentco.com 800-266-2353 citra-solv.com 800-343-6588 cleanhappens.com countrysave.com cranecreekgardens.com crunchyclean.etc.com cumberlandgeneral.com drbronner.com earthiac.com/live_non-toxic_solutions.htm earthturns.com/chemical-free-household-products-s/21.htm, all natural, chemical-free household products. earthybirthymama.com/accessories/laundry.html ecos.com 800-335-3267 ecos.com/pages/ecosliquid.html ecosafeclean.com ecover.com 800-449-4925 edenpuremidwest.com enviro-solution.com equinox-products.com green water softener essential-natural-remedies.com/green-household-products.html, green household products euroshind.net fbkproducts.com fromnaturewithlove.com fuller.com gaiam.com Gaiam, green living, yoga, fitness, and organic products. GoClean.com, green and natural cleaning products, green cleaning supplies and cleaning. GoHybrid.ca/green_household_cleaners.html, green household cleaners. GoMastiC.com, GoTurtle.com, 800-347-5211. GreatCleaners.com, 800-781-7529. greenbrowns.co.uk, Natural Eco Trading Ltd. green-cleaners.net, green cleaners. greenfinder.co.uk, Greenfinder, green directory for Eco. greenfinder.co.uk/companies/green-household-products, green household products. greenhome.com, greenmercantile.com, greenest.com, greenpricer.com, greenproductsalliance.com, Green Products Alliance, greenproductsonline.org, green-solution.com, greenusagroup.com, green household cleaners. green-vaccine.com/tag/green-household-cleaners, green household cleaners. greenworkscleaners.com, powerful and natural cleaning products. Herbalremedies.com, ICFI.com, ICF Green Business, Jentre.com, JohnsonDiversey.com, Lehmans.com, LivesGreatProducts.com, linensgalore.com/grchcl.html, green household cleaners, mdstetson.com, methodhome.com, micro-fiber.net, modernmermaids.com, mountaingreen.biz/detergent.aspx, mrsmyers.com, mtngreen.com, 866-686-4733, seventhgeneration.com, 800-456-1191, mtngreen.com, 866-686-4733, seventhgeneration.com, 800-456-1191, myearth360.com/catalog/green-household-products, naturalcleaningproduct.com, natural-herbal-living.com/laundry products, naturallygood.net, naturallysaefecleaning.com, naturalsoap.co.uk, soap.it, nilfisk-advance.com, 800-645-3475, vacuum cleaners, naturalsoap.co.uk, naturescript.com/natural-laundry-detergent.html, naturally.com, nextag.com/simple-green-713/brand-html, simple green household cleaning supplies, nogc.com, 888-884-6367, non-toxic.info, organicmania.com/2008/07/26/organic green saving SG green household cleaners, orizonllc.com, oxyboost.com, passovercleaning.com, organic natural get green basic household for Passage Passover cleaning, pioneer-eclipse.com, planetinc.com, realgoods.com, rochestermidland.com, seasidenaturals.com, seventhgen.com, seventhgeneration.com, seventhgeneration.com/laundry, seventhgeneration.com/laundry-detergent, simplegreen.com, simplepureclean.com, simplygoodstuff.com/organic_laundry-detergent.html, smallplanet.ca, snowdriftfarm.com, stretcher.com/stories/990201k.cfm, make your own laundry detergent, sunandearth.com, 800-298-7861, terrapinmarket.com/soaps, thedealstore.com, 877-733-5845, thesoapfactory.com, tide.com/n-us/printarticle/green-your-household.jsbx, tomsofmaine.com, tonynatural.com, treacyclee.com, universalbotanicals.com, green cleaners, Beneffect, non-toxic cleaners, chemical-free cleaners, usednontoxic.com, San Francisco non-toxic cleaning products, vermontcountrystore.com, washing-machine-wizard.com, watoxics.org/files/cleaningproducts.pdf, wintreelaundry.com/faq.php, worksbest.com, zerotoxcleaner.com, green natural cleaners for sale too, BioClean products, 508 Harrison St. Kalamazoo, Michigan 49007, 800-240-5536, bioclean.com, chemical sensitivity living. 377 Wilbur Avenue. Number 213. Swansea, Massachusetts 02777. 508-678-7293. Fax, 718-889-2608. chemsenlvng.com. Coconut Coast Natural Products. epub 1173. 5651 Kawamo Road. Kapa, Kauam, Hawaii 96746. 808-822-2772. Fax, 808-802-0350. ccnphawaii.com. Green Marketplace. 5801 Beacon St. Number 2. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania 15217. 800, 59 Earth. greenmarketplace.com. Janice's. 800-526-4237. Fax, 973-691-05459. Janices.com. Cleaning Products. Needs.com. 800-634-1380. Nontoxic.com. 800-968-9355. Orange GB. epub 70171. Eugene, Oregon 97401. 800-672-6456. Fax, 541-895-3295. Goglo.com. Organics of Ounce, Inc. epub 3071. Costa Mesa, California 92628. 714-241-1164. Fax, 714-546-8844. OrganicsofOunce.com. 7th Generation. 1 Mill St. Burlington, Vermont 05401. 800-456-1177. 802-658-3773. 7thgeneration.com. Vermont Soapworks. 616 Exchange St. Middlebury, Vermont 05753. 802-388-4302. Fax, 802-388-7471. vermontsoap.com. Natural laundry detergent info. The more organic fiber bedding, towels, and clothes you buy, the better for your health. EPA.gov. Go easy on chemical laundry detergent and fabric softeners. If you read the ingredients, some of them are carcinogens. There are natural cleaners around. EPA.gov. Look for natural alternatives to laundry detergent like borax, washing soda, sodium carbonate, white vinegar, liquid bluing, for whites, meat tenderizer, ammonia, hydrogen peroxide, salt and water, cream of tartar, vodka. Dry cleaning is a chemical bath. Don't use this overrated service. You can hand wash anything in warm water, then hang it up to dry. Try greenearthcleaning.com and hangersdrycleaners.com. Dry stuff outdoors rather than using an electric dryer. Don't iron clothes or starch them. Just hang them up. There's a natural laundry detergent around called cleaning capsules, echo balls, or laundry balls. Oxyboost.com. Green dry cleaning service. Find a dry cleaner who minimizes the use of chemicals. usdairycleaning.com. greenearthcleaning.com. Zoots.com, dry cleaner, carpet cleaning.